Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's cooking video, we're going to be making this Indian taco. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, keep watching. So just starting out, we're going to be browning some ground beef. Into that, I'm just going to add some garlic salt to season it up. Meanwhile, in another pan, I'm just going to heat up some vegetable oil so that gets warm. And this is where we're going to be frying our little biscuits to make the Indian taco. To the taco meat, I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning with a little bit of water. Our family loves Mexican food, and one of my favorite things to get at the state fair is Indian fried bread. And though this doesn't taste exactly like it, it is a nice treat to have every now and again. This is only the second time I've made this recipe. So here I'm just adding that second tablespoon. And to the meat mixture, I'm just going to add 1 can of Rosarita traditional refried beans. And here's where I'm adding the water. Then you're just going to stir this up and let it cook all the way through. While the meat mixture is cooking, we just go ahead and roll out the dough to make the Indian tacos. Again, all we are using is the Pillsbury Grand biscuits, and we did not have a rolling pin. We actually recently got rid of ours, so we just used our hands to kind of flatten it out. And we just put a hole through the center. That's just to prevent it from bubbling up and getting really thick. You don't want the oil too hot or it'll burn, so just make sure it's on like a low to medium heat. Once you place it in there, it doesn't take long for one side to cook, and then you just quickly flip it over. And once those are all done cooking, which only takes a couple minutes or so, you just set it out on a paper towel to drain that oil. Then from here, you're just going to top it with all your favorite toppings. So I've got that bean and meat mixture, some lettuce, then I just put some cheese, sour cream, and tomatoes. And that's it. It tastes delicious. And now, because we only needed 5 of these and the package comes with 8 biscuits, I'll show you real quickly what we did with the leftover dough. We just split them up, rolled them into a few different balls, fried them up, and then once they were done, we just sprinkled them with some cinnamon and sugar, and that made for a nice little treat. Okay, and that concludes this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Hopefully you'll give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye guys.